Module 2, Lesson 1 begins our understanding of dividing with fractions. In this lesson, you'll be able to use a visual model to show the quotient or the division of whole numbers and fractions. You'll be able to use that same model to demonstrate the multiplication of fractions, and you can divide fractions by a whole number. So, if you take a look here, your example is 3/4 divided by 2. And the first step in creating that model is that you create a whole big thing. So this was all 1, and that's 3/4. So that line wouldn't be there yet. It'd just be 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then the fourths is there. And then you have to divide by 2. And when you divide by 2, that actually cuts this in half. And when we cut the 3 that were shaded in half, that leaves these bottom ones. And so that would be 3 out of the 8, which is 3/8. If you wanted to do the equation, you would have 3/4 divided by 2 over 1, because whole numbers are over 1. You keep your first number, change it to multiplication, and flip it over. So when you do that, you'd have 3/4, because we keep it, change that to multiplication, we flip 2 over 1 over, you get 1 over 2. 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 2 is 8. Or you could write it 3/4 divided by 2 over 1, and then we just cross multiply. So you take 3 times 1, then we have to go up, and that's 3. You take 4 times 2, and that gives you 8, and that would be 3/8.